In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an online video into your Microsoft Word document seamlessly. This is a fantastic way to make your documents more engaging and interactive, especially if you're preparing a presentation or a report that could benefit from multimedia elements. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this easily. First, you'll want to begin by opening up your Microsoft Word file. Make sure you have the document you want to enrich with a video right in front of you because we'll be adding a new element to it soon. Once your document is open, take a moment to think about where in the text you want to insert the video. This might be at the end of a section, as a visual aid for a point you're making, or perhaps as a dynamic introduction. Wherever it is, plan for it so you can seamlessly flow through your document later. Next, navigate to the top of your Word window and click on the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to all things additional: think tables, pictures, links, and more. But today, our focus is on videos. Within the Insert tab, you'll find an option labeled Online Videos. Clicking this will open a new window where you can enter a URL. What's great about this feature is that it lets you pull in content from online sources without needing to download large files onto your computer, which not only saves space, but also keeps your document size manageable. Now here comes the straightforward part: pasting the YouTube URL of the video you wish to include. Before you reach this step, it's important to have considered the specific video you want to showcase. Make sure it's something that enhances the understanding or appeal of your document. Once you've copied the URL from YouTube, simply click into the box provided in the Online Videos section of Word, paste your URL, and hit Enter. And there you have it. Your video should now be embedded right within your Word document, ready for viewing. By clicking on the video, you'll be able to play it directly from Word, making it a truly interactive experience for your readers or viewers. Make sure to save your changes and consider doing a quick test by playing the video to ensure that everything is working as expected before sharing the document with others. That's the process in a nutshell. No need for complicated steps or third-party software, just a few clicks and you've added a dynamic video element to your Word document. With these simple steps, you can make your document stand out and captivate your audience with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!